This is the elevator at 6024. I don't know the name street in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a ThyssenKrupp Oildraulic elevator with the roar fixtures. And judging by that, there possibly may be a freight elevator here. Honestly, I'm not sure. Blank tenant. It's all the way up on 2R. Here it is. Lights of orange for down, which is interesting. Fire. There's the elevator. Alright. Down to the basement. Here you go down. It's very dark in here. I apologize if you can't really see this elevator that well. This is a very dark elevator. Even I can't really see it on the viewfinder. Go up to 3 and ring the bell. ThyssenKrupp trick. Rings on both the inside and the outside. Didn't really notice that. Here we go up. That's just the first floor, so outside chime. Digital indicator. Here at 3. We'll go back down to 1 and ring the bell to sync up trick. Okay then. It rang on the basement but not up here. That's weird. 88 phone, fire operation, case high nice elevators. I noticed the top floor. Just a basic cab. I do like the mosaic tile on the floors. Does have padding. Very dark. I apologize if you can't really see the elevator like I said. I should have turned on the flash, but oh well, just a basic elevator anyway. Here back at 1. I think the 2 button. Nah, this elevator's just a little bit dirty, that's all. Here back at 1. That's gonna be it.